at this moment that he knew.
Life does not. Oh my God. Oh my God.
New outfit, new day. Can I be honest? We can be honest with each other. We know each other, we're like family, right? Okay, so I did all of that yesterday. Today is a new day because when I put the Got to Be Glued on my wig cap, for some reason, I put enough glue to melt 20 laces. I shot all of that footage only to forget. You can see people's thoughts, right? You can see it through the HD lace, so I'm not gonna make the same mistake twice. Inside of the cap, that cute little piano thingy, so I'm doing it over again. I washed the hair, it's dried and beautiful and lustrous. Luster, it's got nice luster. Because sometimes you gotta start over. This wig is gorgeous. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the clips back on and bring her down. And this time, I'm not gonna lose my mind with the glue. So here is what the hairline looked like. It came already pre-plucked. If you want, you can pluck a little bit more so you can customize it to your liking. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the inside of the cap with just a tiny amount of this tinted lace spray because this goes hard, all right? And a little goes a long way, so you wanna be sparing, you don't wanna go shh, all right? We're not graffiti artists over here. Like that, just a very light spray. That looks a lot nicer. So I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this using Got to Be Glued. But this time, I'm only going to apply it around the perimeter of my wig cap. Okay, we're not putting it on the wig cap.
I've been giving you the rest of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you weren't caught for me. But forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and slice it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my melting band and I'm going to leave this on for about 25 minutes. And then when I come back, I will cut the lace. She will cut the lace. All right, Alexa told me it's been exactly 25 minutes. So I'm gonna take off my melting band and peel it away. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I get some crusties and that goes away with more hairspray. But I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off before I do any final touch-ups with this Got to Be Glued spray. So here's the wig, she's installed, and she's gorgeous, darling. Light Yaki, very long, down to her. So the hair is gorgeous, like this, but I wanna add some layers because this hair is so, like, there's a lot of it, right? And it's thick, so it can be kind of heavy. The style that I want to do for the front needs a little bit of layering. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some layers, and then I'm going to add a slight curl, and then we will see what we have in the end.
Wait, there's no second chance. We messed it up, torn apart.
So the easiest way to do face framing layers is to bring all of your hair to the front, put it in a ponytail, and cut. So that's what I'm about to do, y'all. It's probably a lot easier to do this while your wig is still on the wig head, but too bad, so sad. Because I've already started and I can't stop now. Can't stop, won't stop. So I did that so the ends aren't so blunt. So what I'll do now is I'll go ahead and section off another portion and bring it to the front and keep doing that until you get to the front of the face. And it should be a little shorter each layer you do. I'm gonna show you what I mean so you can see what am I talking about.
You know the one that will get you off my mind, get you off my mind, 'cause there's love in acting.
Okay, the layers are cut. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up this side and clean up this side, and then I'm gonna curl my hair, and then you'll be able to see them a lot better, but you can kind of see them a little bit. Gotta say, I'm impressed with this. Just pick this up. I think the best plan of attack is going to be a large comb. So the rollers at the top really give you a lot of lift in your crown, and that's what I like. So this is what you can do if you have a really long, thick, heavy, blunt cut wig. You add a little bit of layers, and then that creates this pretty cascade when you add your curls. And the great thing about that is that these curls, they can be as big, like if you pull your hair out like this, you can have really big pageant hair and it's very dramatic. Or you can tame them and kind of do like that, and they're a little bit more old Hollywood glammy. Such good quality, and it's just got such a good luster. I didn't add any gloss or spray to this hair, but to protect the longevity, of course, when you use curls, especially if you're using any kind of tools with high heat, you want to make sure you're using a heat protecting spray. But this is the final result, and I love it. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. I will make sure that I link everything about this hair in the description box below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.